I think I drink too much coffee for this no funnel gang shit.
Oh, you like that?
Right?
Right on, man.
Check out what I'm doing. Boom. Old, not busted, but old. And the new. Koyo Rad. Look at this. Fucking rad. I think there's a sticker in there, but look at that. Oofta. That's freaky. That is gorgeous. So, there's a little bit more wrenching to do here and there, but the radiator is all swapped over. As you can see, a lot of this is back together. We'll give you guys a thorough rundown on that cylinder 4 cooling mod in a little while. When that's all done up, as you can see, it's turned up, but there's gonna have to be a cut put in it, I believe. So, yeah. Well, yeah, we'll show you guys the completed product either later tonight or tomorrow or something along those lines. So I'll get back with you guys in a little while. And this thing will be ready to sit on the ground. Oh, I'm excited. What's up, dog?
Well, I don't know, Brian.
I don't know. I don't much know. Well,
It could be just some glue out of the CV drawing or something. I don't know.
it's thin. Touch it. So, the plan for today. I'm doing a nut and bolt check in the back of the RS here, where we have all fresh suspension components. And Mark is working on the front end of the car because we're trying to set this beezy on the ground today. That is the plan, and that's what.
No,
And that's what we're gonna do.
that's not the plan. We're gonna get this BZ running today.
Ooh,
That's what Mark wants.
we're gonna get the beezy running today. The beezy, sleazy, steezy. Okay, yeah, all right. So while I'm doing this nut and bolt check, I think Mark's gonna give you a rundown on what he's doing up front.
Oh, camera's not here.
It's over here.
Good morning, world. I'm Mark again. Here's what we're doing today. So we've got this beautiful little EJ25-5 out of a 06 WRX. Casey and I just put it in on the last episode, and we need to get this thing buttoned up. So just this morning, what I've done is connected the external wastegate, the electronic boost control solenoid, to the turbo and the wastegate and the inlet pipe. I put some zip ties on there so they will stay on. Got to trim those off. I'm going to start working on getting this put on. You 06 WRX guys, If this doesn't look right to you, because this fitting right here, that's because it's not right. I had this line custom made back in the day when I first got this car. This is a swap car, and the 06 WRX one just didn't quite fit right, so I made this one. It's just the original fitting off of the original one, and it's cut off and welded to this piece right here, which just fits in there. So we're gonna get the radiator put in, get the power steering pump installed. We're gonna get the alternator all hooked up, put the battery in, get the exhaust put on, and we will finish up the T-fitting here on the heater hoses that go into the heater core for the cylinder 4 cooling mod. So with that, I think we are just about done explaining stuff. And yeah, hopefully in the next couple of hours, you'll see this thing all back on its wheels and maybe moving under its own power. We'll see. pitch stop mount because that's going to be the biggest pain in the ass.
You want to do that now?
Yeah.
Okay, pitch stop mount, and then exhaust, and then you're going to drop in your new rad, Koyo rad. So sad. Okay, airbox is in. And if you notice, that thing is sitting right there because the downpipe is right there. We have moved the exhaust. I don't like how my tone is right now. I feel like yeah.
This doesn't look good.
Look at that. See, that's a nifty trick right there. We had to fish in between the jack stands because it's long. So I did that, and it still dragged, but not as much. Okay, so I'm going to install the exhaust while Mark is maintaining, throwing together the remainder of the front end.
I'm gonna throw in the radiator.
Right.
We just got the pitch stop mount in.
Booyah. And that radiator's a nice piece. Super nice piece. Pumped. All right, so we're trucking. We are trucking.
We are space truckers.
I have a spaceship.
I fly a starship.
Yeah, fly a starship.
I have a starship that I fly. Where's the coolant coming from? Oh, okay. Figured it out.
Ooh. Big fucking head. I'm trying to see the Koyo rad. What you doing?
Is that a speed sensor?
Looking for the thing?
Yeah.
But look at that. Boom. See that? Up pipe. Down pipe, down pipe, down pipe. Exhaust is in and hung.
It's right here, you turd.
What? Donde? Where?
Just to the left. It's on the other side of the fence.
Ow.
Right here. This little holder.
Oh. Well, that's stupid.
And actually, we'll go underneath.
Who did that? Okay, I'll get some zip ties and secure that better.
Okay.
Unless you want me to just throw them at you now.
Yeah,
because you literally have a satchel of these right here. Is this not even open? Oh no, it's. Oh, here you go. So, exhaust is in, belt is in, radiator is in. This little cover, hey, you modified this, didn't you?
A little bit, yeah.
It looks better. And you just cut that on my little bandsaw?
Yeah.
Cool.
And then filed it.
Did it seem like it had a hard time?
No.
Cool. Dope, 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 dope. All right. I mean, exhaust in. You're buttoning up the O2 sensor. Missing a big hole here.
Yeah, once I just wanted to get the exhaust in, and then we can do that one up there.
Oh, okay. I could throw in the heat shield. So heat shield, intercooler,
Yes.
a bunch of miscellaneous tubes.
Yes.
There's a lot of tubes, my guy.
Yeah, and they all go to the intercooler system and
Right.
whatnot.
Heater hose situation. I haven't touched that.
I'm just buttoning up the cylinder 4 cooling rod.
Oh, I see that. So that's the T right there. So as you can see, we're trucking.
Somebody's calling me.
Uh-oh, never mind.
Hello?
Oh.
Here at Casey Baker's garage, we use peak performance coolant. 50-50 pre-diluted. Keeps our cars running sound.
And that way we don't have to think much.
It's also the cheapest when you go to O'Reilly's and you see it there on the discount rack for $13.99 a bottle.
You're naming a whole lot of companies we're not getting paid by, okay?
No, but that's where I shop.
I lost my head and lost my...
No.
Talk about this one? No, you're spilling more though.
Here at Casey Baker's garage, we use Scott's towels because they soak up all of our messes.
You're almost in the shot. Claiming that we use all these companies' stuff.
Are you kidding me? We do use all these companies' stuff.
I know that, but they're gonna be like, hey, don't keep our product's name out your mouth.
Why? Because it's the only paper towel brand that I choose when I'm working in the shop?
I like the subtle peeing in the background.
There's only one brand we trust when it comes to our power steering fluid. Lucas Oil Products.
That's
For race cars like this.
that's messed up because
Get the camera shot, bro. I need to see the glow.
easy.
Yeah, what do you think about that, man?
Easy, man.
This is not going to be enough.
While we have you here, Mark's using the outdoor urinal. I would just like to state that I love this car. I'm excited for Mark to get to make punchy turbo noises in it again, and it to actually maintain an alignment so I can see what kind of crazy times he's going to put down in this car, because it is an animal, and if he keeps it together, he could really be competitive in a car that some stuck-up people might say shouldn't be extremely competitive on the autocross. Because this is a badass platform. I dig it a lot. I know I need a haircut. I'm sorry, okay? Yeah. So, incoming turbo noises shortly. Okay, called under, tighten the drain plug. I think we're good to go. TSS for Hondas and most foreign.
Perfect. This smoke is the header wrap.
Yeah.
Watch the power steering wrap.
Foamy.
Okay. It's the cycle through the car.
Hell yeah. Right?
Right on, man.
I don't think they got our high pipe at all. We're gonna have to redo it for the thumbnail.
Come here. You're not at the side yet. There.
Ah! Hell yeah, dude. She sounds happy. Does she sound happy?
Oh, good.
So we are looking at fresh clutch, fresh brakes, like full new brake system,
Brand new steering system.
brand new steering system, full tune-up, all sorts of gaskets, all sorts of rad shit. So this thing is well on its way to being back on the road. Back wheels are on, but unfortunately, there we go. Oh my god. It almost just shot a fireball. So
She's a ripper.
certified. That sounds like a V8.
For anybody wondering, coolant temp is 180. So I'm not revving around a cold engine.
Yeah, everybody relax. But you guys will see this thing on the road very shortly. Now that we know, rock and roll.
I'm thinking we'll probably make the next event, which is May 15th. I gotta start daily driving this thing, so I'll probably come back over here in the next couple of days and we'll button up whatever else we need to button up, put the wheels on, get the brakes cleaned up, and I'll take it for a test drive and we'll just make sure that everything is fixed and everything is good to go. So.
Booyah. Engine's back in. She's happy, she's healthy, and
Looks great. Engine's great. I'm super stoked about this rear end. I do want to see one thing.
it's spinning. You say it won't go in fifth?
It won't go in any gear. It will not go in gear. Which means the clutch isn't disengaging, which means that flywheel, the pressure plate does not work. So we're not done yet. I'll go ahead and order up one of those.
That's outro stuff, Mark. That's after. That's for the people to watch the whole damn video. So thanks for watching the whole video.
Shit!
Anyways, before. But yes, we're stoked. It's running. It's back in the car. It's happy. It's healthy. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Blah 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 blah. Definitely comment.
Stay tuned for more bullshit.
Yeah, there's plenty of that to go around. So
My God!
we'll see you guys in the next video. Say bye, Mark.
Bye, Mark.
Oh, I end on the dweebiest laughter of all.